Well, we're looking at some information coming in from Karnataka. 3 more in Karnataka's Ramnagara jail have tested positive, taking the total number of cases in the jail now to 5. All the 5 infected people were arrested in connection to the attack on civic workers in Bengaluru's Padarayanapura ward on Sunday. 121 accused were held after they attacked civic workers in Padarayanapura and were taken in to a jail in Ramnagara, which was small enough. 121 people were imprisoned, and now we're looking at positive cases. First 2 of them, and now 3 more who are testing positive in the Ramnagara jail. In fact, Padarayanapura was also considered as a hotspot, and instead of taking these people to a quarantine facility, keeping them separate, here all of them were put together in a small jail at Ramnagara, which was considered a green zone. Had no cases of COVID-19 reported from Ramnagara, and now 5 of them have tested positive inside that jail. Considering all of them have been in close quarters, it's very possible, there's a likelihood that many more can test positive among those 121 people inside that jail. We have Nagarjun joining us live for more on this. Nagarjun, this is tragic. First of all, Padarayanapura people who attacked the civic workers were arrested and taken to a jail which was located at a green zone in Ramnagara, and now 2, after which 3 more, total 5 of those who have imprisoned have now tested positive.
Well, true, the opposition is blaming the government, saying it's a blunder from the government for moving prisoners from hotspot to a green zone district. Bangalore, they moved Ramnagar, which had no cases till now. In the last few days, 5 of them have tested positive. Earlier it was 2, and now this morning results have come in. 3 more have tested positive within the jail premises, and now the remaining prisoners are being brought back to Bangalore. They'll be put in Haj Bhavan is what we are told. The opposition is saying the government has to be blamed because of such bad administration decision for moving persons from a red zone to a green zone district. We'll have to wait and watch if this number will increase or not, because remember, in a closed space in the prison, at least 20 to 25 were put in small rooms is what we are told, but the police have not reacted. The Home Minister said due precautions were taken, but it is unfortunate that these prisoners have tested positive. More than 100 police officers have been quarantined now.
It's ridiculous that they've arrested a bunch of people from a hotspot and then put them all together, huddled them up inside a prison in Ramnagara, which is a green zone. It looks absolutely counterproductive here. The jail authorities there, the police department have to do a lot of answering here, Nagarjun. In fact, you've also exclusively spoken to former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, who's accused the state government now of this major blunder by holding people from Bengaluru hotspot, taking them to a Ramnagara jail, keeping them all together inside a small jail. Now, quite naturally now, 5 of them have been infected. Let's take a listen what he had to say.
Itself, I requested and warned, advised our Chief Minister and Home Minister not to take this kind of hasty decision to shift Padarayanapura prisoners to Ramnagara prison jail. But even after my request, they rejected my request and they shifted them. Now they created unnecessary problem. Even all our health officers and even police officers, they are panic now. Okay. Not only a common man. Because in that jail, more than 121 Padarayanapura victims, they have shifted here, actually Ramnagara prison.
Okay.
They kept minimum 20 to 25 persons in one room.
Okay.
They have used one room bathroom, and even they used the material, even for drinking purpose, everything.
Okay.
Was same cups.
So do you blame the government for this today?
100%. Up till now, we supported the government.
Okay.
Whatever problems were there, we are not going to expose all those things.
Okay.
Because at this juncture, it is not necessary for us to make any politics. But the way in which the government behaving, from last 1 month, all people of Karnataka, they have supported the government for lockdown, everything. But today, because of government decision-taking blunder, this thing has happened in Ramnagara.
So, and
even health department, they are afraid now.
Okay.
Even that jailers who are working there, they have been rented house in Ramnagaram. Okay. They are pressurizing them from yesterday to vacate the houses. Where they will go?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.